Hello students, welcome to Saurav Sir's classes. Welcome to Saurav Sir's classes. In this video we are going to discuss some questions. We are going to discuss some questions of ISI B Stat 2019 paper. Okay, so we are going to solve a few questions of ISI B Stat 2019 paper. So this is a very important video for all the ISI aspirants, because in this video you will be getting some full kind of solution of B Stat paper, which you will not get anywhere else. Only at Saurav Sir class we provide you the full solution of B Stat ISI paper, and full solution will be given to you along with some explanations of question. Basic concepts will be given to you. Basic concepts will be given to you, and step-by-step solutions will be provided. Step-by-step solutions will be provided to you. So this is a very important video. You can see that this is a VVIB video. You can say that this is VVIB. What's the meaning of VVIB? VVIB means very important video. So this is a very important video for all of you. So be ready with your pen and paper and follow the question of ISI B Stat 2019 paper. So the question goes something like this. So this is the question on your screen now. So let's read the question. A brand called Jogger Sprite produces pair of shoes in 3 different units. So Jogger Sprite is a shop or is a brand which produces pairs of shoes in 3 different units. Okay, so they have 3 different units where they produce pairs of shoes, and the units are U1, U2 and U3. Okay, so these are the name of the units. Now these units produced 10%, 30% and 60% of the total output of the brand, with a chance that a pair of shoes being defective is 20%, 40% and 10% respectively. What it means that in the first unit, that is U1, 10% of the shoes are being produced. Suppose if 100 shoes are produced, then 10 shoes are produced in unit 1, and out of that 10 shoes, 20% found to be defective. Okay, that means 2 is found to be defective. In the second unit, that is U2, 30% of the production is done. That is 30 units have been produced in that unit, and out of this 30 units, 40% seems to be defective. I mean, it means that out of 30 units, you can say that 3 for the 12 units are defective. And in the third unit, that is U3, 60% of the total output of the brand is produced. That is out of 100, 60 units is produced in U3 and 10% is only defective. That means that only 6 shoes are defective respectively. Now if a randomly selected pair of shoes from the combined output is found to be defective. Now we have selected a random shoe from the combined output is found to be defective, and we selected that shoe and we found out that shoe is defective. And what is the chance that the pair was manufactured by unit 3? So we have to find the probability. Chance means probability that the pair was manufactured by unit 3 U3. So it means that it has been said that it is taken from the randomly taken, and it is also said that the output found to be defective. So what is the probability that it is from U3, that is from this portion? So this is a question of Bayes theorem. Very important question, very interesting question. It will be very interesting to solve this question. So let's find the answer, and before finding the answer, let me discuss the alternatives which is provided to us. That is 30%, 15%, 3 by 5 into 100%, and cannot be determined with the above given data. It means that with the data which are provided to us, the data are not sufficient to find the exact probability of this question. Okay, moving on to the solution part. So let's move to the solution part of this video. Okay, so Moving into the solution part. Okay, solution. Now let P be the pair of shoes manufactured in U3. So let me write down that P is the pair of shoes manufactured in U3 given they are defective. Okay, so it's a conditional probability given they are defective. So it's a conditional probability question that P, we have taken P is the probability that pair of shoes manufactured in U3 given they are defective. So it can be written as P as a pair of shoes manufactured in U3 and are defective. Divided by P pair of shoe are defective. Okay, so it can be written as 60% was given to be defective, so we can write 0.6 0.1 divided by 0.6 into 0.1 plus 0.3 into 0.4 plus 0.1 into 0.2. So this is a question of Bayes theorem. This is a formula of Bayes theorem, important theorem in statistics, Bayes theorem. Now we solve it, it will be 0.06 by 0.06 plus 0.12 plus 0.02, and on solving we will get 6 by 20, which is equal to 3 by 10. Okay, so this is the probability coming. Now it is to be noted that the number of okay, let me write it down. That the number numerator number depicts the fraction of total shoes manufactured in U3 which are defective, while the denominator depicts the total fraction of defective shoes, which is nothing but the individual fraction of defective shoes from U1, U2 and U3. Okay, it's nothing but this. So I hope you understood this last part of this question. So now let's move back to the previous page and find that what was our answer. So moving back to the previous page. So in the calculation we found that the probability came to be 3 by 10, which is equal to 0.3 or 30%. So the correct option of this question is 30%. So let us see that whether we have any option like 30% or not. So option D was cannot be determined. Option C was 3 by 5 into 100. It was 15%. Option A was 30%. So this is the correct option. This is the correct option. We can say the right option is option A. Right option is option A. Okay, so this is it for today's video, where we have solved very important question number 2 from ISI Bstat 2019 paper. This is a very important video, and I hope you all understood this video. But still, if you have any kind of doubts or queries in your mind, then you can contact us at this number 9836 793 076. This is our number. You can call us anytime at this number and avail further information. If you want to avail further information regarding Saurabh sir's classes, then you can visit this website www.saurabhsirclasses.com. okay, you can visit this website saurabhsirclasses.com. and for watching this video, a lot of thanks from my side, student. Thank you, thanks a lot.